Hey, it's the Western Nomad here. Welcome to my Miles from Nowhere dash cam archives. Ever driven through a snowstorm in Wyoming and Montana for 7 to 8 hours and it starts out looking like this and you go, oh, it'll be fine. And then it starts getting a little dark and then it's just pitch black and there's snow blowing everywhere and you're praying to God that you get home alive. That's all part of the fun, all part of the journey when you choose to drive out west. This is a compilation of just random dash cam footage from my last trip out to Montana and Wyoming. I spent a lot of time on the road. I don't rent cars or fly into these places. I prefer to experience America on the ground. And, sit back, relax, do some yoga. Put this on in the background on a big screen television that has 4K, and I think you'll really enjoy it better that way. A longer form video here, and I'm really just trying to show my viewers how vast and open and empty the American West really is. You see stuff on TV and on YouTube, but this is what a lot of what Montana and a lot of the West really looks like, just wide open prairies and mountains that go on for miles and miles. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you have any questions about these places and you see a shot and you go, man, that was really pretty, but you didn't identify where it was, drop me a note and I'll try to get back to you.